What's up, guys? My name's Connor King here with Resolute Capital, and we're about to do our fourth casual Q&A video. And so I'll just get asked some questions and then I'll answer them. And also, these are just my personal opinion, so feel free to do your own research. But hopefully that this will be helpful to you and will provide you a new angle. And also, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and you should always consult the professional financial advisor before making any decisions with your money.
Okay, another question. What would be some other options of investment besides the stock market? Say if I was particularly skeptical of stocks, mutual funds, anything like that.
Oh yes, that is good. Definitely, aside from the stock market, by far the most common investment is in real estate. And some people only invest in real estate, and these people might not even be scared of the stock market. They just prefer real estate. So that's by far the most common, and that is a very safe investment because land isn't going anywhere. And so, whatever investment you make in a piece of property, I mean, there's the market value may fluctuate, but as far as its value as a whole, it is pretty safe and conservative, and it also takes years to change. And so you're not just going to buy a house or a piece of land somewhere and then 2 days later, the value has dropped significantly. The value changes very gradually, normally over several years. So a lot of people would, for sure, if they're not invested in the stock market, be in real estate. And also, aside from just buying a property and it appreciating, you can also buy a property, not live in it, and then have rental income if other people are living in it. So there are several ways to make money off of real estate other than just buying it and letting it appreciate. But sort of looking at this question in another way, I think that one of the best investments that you can possibly make would just be in your personal skills, because the greatest wealth building tool out there is your income. And so, if you're trying to get more resources financially, then the quickest route to do that is just by upping your income. And so, you can look at different investments all day long, whether it's in the stock market or real estate. But if you don't have money coming in from your income, then you're not going to have any money to invest in either of those. But, aside from the stock market, real estate is a good bet.
So going back to real estate versus the stock market, if I'm looking to build some sort of passive income stream, which one would you say takes more work?
Yeah. Definitely real estate would take a lot more work because that's just a whole nother ball game. You can't just go to your computer and then get a property and have renters and then them start paying you to have a passive income stream. So if we're looking at it from that point, getting dividends off of the stock market would be a lot easier. But real estate, doing it actually yourself and buying a place, having renters and then paying you, that can be a lot more profitable at times. And so, there's probably more reward for actually going out and, buying a piece of real estate with cash and then having renters constantly pay you each month. That would probably be better. But if there's something, if you want to get into that, but you don't want to actually go do all the work, there are these things called REITs, which are real estate investment trusts, which are stocks on the stock market, and they're required to pay 90% of their profits out in dividends from real estate. And so, there's all these REITs out there, and the only thing they do is just compile a portfolio of properties in real estate that cash flow each month, and then they're required to pay 90% of that. I'm pretty sure it's 90%. Back out to their shareholders in dividends. So that's another good option if you want to get involved in real estate but don't want to do all the work. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you and that you've learned something and maybe even have a few takeaways. And if you have any questions of topics or ideas that we can answer in our next Q&A video, please leave a question in the comments and we will add it to our list of questions and we will answer it in a future video. And if you enjoy this, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time.